Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I have a project share for you today and I am using the Mente Written Memories. So a little backstory on this. So 2021 has been a really super rough year for my family and I am determined to find at least 3 good things every month for 2022. So with that being said, I made something to be able to document my 2022 good happenings. So this is, I thought it was perfect, written memories. So let me show you what I have come up with. This was definitely inspired by Carol Herlock. So this is my memory Dex box for 2022, and I used the little square boxes from Dollar Tree, and I have decorated the box in pink, and then the written memories paper. I have put feet at the bottom, put some pearls all the way around. And then on the front, I just put 2022 with some bling on it, a really beautiful butterfly, and a seam binding bow with a little, button on the front. This is for 2022. I have made 12 memory Dex cards. Each card has a number, as you can see. It's 1, 2, 3, so on, till I get to number 12. Okay, so each memory Dex card is decorated, of course, with the paper. This is fussy cut from one of the, I think it was one of the 2x3 cards. So for each card on the back, it's got a little tab that swings down. This has room for a picture or journaling, and then this flips over for 2 more pictures. Like I said, I am determined to find 3 good things every month and document them because, like I said, 2021 has been so super rough for us, and this is number 2. And again, they all have the swing tab with space for 3 good memories. And I am just determined. This is number 2. I'm going to show them to you while I talk a little bit. I am determined to find 3 good things every month and document them because this year has been so rough for all of us here at my home. So that is what this is for. You can do, you can make them for birthdays, or it doesn't have to be for, the year. You can do birthdays, whomever's birthday is that month. You can, here again, you can put the pictures in here, which I may still do that for the birthday one, but this is what I have so far for 2022 because it, again, it's been so rough. I just need to just remember all the good that happens within a year, because good things do happen even while things are going so bad. Good things do happen, but the bad kind of overpowers the good, and that's what we remember. So this is the inside of the box. I did just use straws for the to hold the memory Dex cards, but inside the straws I have skewers so that they don't just bend in half, and that's the inside of my card. Here is a little piece that I made to hold the straws with the skewer inside. So that is the inside of the box. Here is the outside. There we go. It was really super easy to make. I saw Carol Herlock make one I think hers was for a swap though. And I thought, oh my gosh, I can use that to remember the good in 2022 because, again, 2021 has been so rough for us all. And I've been a little overwhelmed here lately with all the bad happening, you know, within the year. I wanted to, again, you know, just remember all the good that happens in 2022. All right, guys, that was my project share for the day. I hope you've enjoyed it and it inspires you to make a little something for the upcoming year. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.